Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use iPad for video calls. First method, using FaceTime. Open the FaceTime app on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap the video tab at the top. The search bar is labeled enter name, email, or number at the top of your recent calls list. You can search your contacts here. And then enter your contact name, email address, or phone number. This will search all the contacts in your phone book and list all the matching results. Then tap the video camera icon next to your contact's name. This will start a video call with your selected contact. Wait for them to answer and enjoy your video call. Method 2. Use Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your iPad. The messenger icon looks like a blue speech bubble with a white thunderbolt in it. You can find it on your home screen or in an app folder. Then tap the people. These buttons like two figureheads in the lower left corner of your screen. It will open your contact list. Then find the contact you want to video call on the list and tap their name. This will open a chat conversation between you and your selected contact. Tap the video camera icon on the top right. You can find this button in the upper right corner of your chat conversation. It will start a video call with your contact. Method 2. Using Google Duo. And Method 4. Using Viber. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.